There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2018 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat in B5 Blue. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, dual carbon springs, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, SRT tuned BILSTEIN 3-mode competitive suspension, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, power sunroof, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 4009A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.